समाज को स्वीकार करें, हम भी इस समाज का हिस्सा है। हमारा हमको भी माँ है, हमको भी बाप है, वैसे आपको है, हमको स्वीकार करें।
The transgender community in India is very different from that of any other country. For centuries, they've been believed to have the powers to bless people and bring about good fortune. They dance at weddings and bless babies in new marriages. In addition to that, they ask people for money on roads in exchange of blessings. As of 2024, there are about 4 million transgender individuals in India. This is the story of one of them. This is the story of Vaishali.
पता नहीं वो वक्त अच्छा था कि बुरा था, नाले तो उसने भी सब अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, अगर वो एक फैमिली से दूर भी हुई उसका भी और कुछ अच्छा हो गया। सब एक दूसरे को अपना समझ के चलेंगे, एक दूसरे को पाओगे किसी भी कुछ गरीब अमीर का भेदभाव या जेंडर में भेदभाव नहीं रहेगा तो कुछ परफेक्ट। मेरी गुरु ने पढ़ाई है ना, मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि मुझे ये था कि मैं अच्छे
The trans literacy rate is just about half, but the quality of education is far from perfect. Schools in India mostly only recognize two genders. This shuts down even more opportunities for trans people for employment in India.
टीचर जो भी है, मतलब समाज में जहाँ जहाँ है वहाँ हमारे लोग रहना चाहिए।
Trans individuals are more likely to be unemployed compared to binary individuals in India. This stems from either social stigmas or lack of education due to lesser opportunities for the trans community.
हमारे लोगों को तुम बोलते हो काम करो, आप स्वीकार क्यों नहीं करते हो? जब हम हमारे जैसा ऑफिस में आएंगे तो तुम्हारा देखने का नेचर है लोगों का। ऐसे तो तुमको हम रास्ते में जाते आते तो तुम मिलते हो, हमको ब्लेस करो, हमको ये करो, साथ में लेबर में हमारे लोग काम करेंगे तो तुम्हारा देखने का नजरिया अलग होता है, देखने का नजरिया। फिर वहाँ तुम टीम बना के हमारे लोगों को परेशान करेंगे सोचती है जो पब्लिक।
Companies in India have just started hiring trans people. These companies are located mostly in Mumbai, Bangalore, and Kochi. I had the opportunity to talk to 3 employees working in a plant of one of the companies in Mumbai during the summer. Here are my findings. Originally, there were 7 trans employees hired, but now only 4 remain. The 3 employees that I interviewed have been working there for 3 years. One employee is currently working as an HR associate. Second employee is working in administration, and the third employee is working in CSR. They found out about the job through an agency that trained them for 2 to 3 months in communication, taught them how to use Excel, and prepared them for the interviews. When they got the job, they were unfortunately not given any training and had to learn everything by themselves without any assistance. Being part of a minority would have anyway made them hesitant to ask for help. They've been working in this company for 3 years now and still don't have permanent jobs. They're working on contracts, while on the other hand, the binary employees have permanent jobs. This inevitably discourages them. Additionally, the compensation and benefits they were promised have not been met. Their salary is lower than what was promised, and even after 3 years, their salaries have not increased. The healthcare facilities they were offered have also not been granted. One of the employees was not even given the job they were promised. Instead, they worked an unskilled labor job for 2 years. Additionally, the other employees working with them did not make it a welcoming environment. They were often looked at with judging eyes and spoken to in harsh tones. When asked if they talked to the HR about their concerns, they said that they had talked to them several times, but no action had been taken yet.
जहाँ शादी होती है, बच्चे होते तो हम जाके उनकी खुशी में शामिल होने के लिए हम यहाँ से पैसे ले लेते जो देते हैं।
कुछ बदलना होगा तो फिर आप क्या बदलते?
समाज का देखने का जरिया बदलते हैं। 3% से कोई बोलता है बेचारे, या कोई बोलता है ठीक है, या कोई बोलता है चलो इनको देखें, वो जरिया चेंज कर